Lesson 2. The Moon and Star. Look and wonder. The moon is a body in the night sky. Where does the moonlight come from? Explore. What to do? Use a white bar at the moon. Turn off the room light. It is easy to see the moon. Megamoto, shine a flashlight on the moon. The flashlight is like a sun. Is the moon easier to see now? Why? 3. Draw conclusion. Where does the moonlight come from? Read together and learn. What is the moon like? Oh, it's like a big rock with big craters with many holes. And then even people invented cars are also on the moon. The moon is Earth's closest neighbor in space. The moon is shaped like a spear or a bar. A bar? It's not a bar. It's like a bar with many craters. Does it look like a ball? Oh, I think it looks like a giant ball. How about we call a big giant people and then he go up and take them away? That will be funny. There's no living thing on the moon. The moon does not shine the way the sun does. The moon does not make its own light. We see the moon because light from the sun shines on the moon. Like Earth, the moon does not stay still in the sky. The moon moves in a path or orbit around Earth. It takes the moon about 1 month to make an orbit around Earth. The moon moves around the Earth again and again each month. Why does the moon seem to change shapes? From Earth, the moon looks like as if it is changing shape. The moon does not really change shape. Our view of the moon as the moon moves around its orbit. Oh, a new moon. You see this little one here? Yeah, you can see it. Then first quarter moon, and the full moon, and then last quarter moon, and then to a new moon. The sun shines on the light one half of the moon. On different nights we see different amount of moonlight half. We see a full moon when we see all of the moonlight half. There is a new moon when we see none of the moonlight half. During a new moon, the moonlight half fades away from Earth. Each shape of the moon we see during 1 month is called a phase. The phases repeat each month in the same order. What are stars? A star is an object in space made of lot glowing gases. The gases give off heat and light. Some stars are very bright. Stars can be of different colors and sizes. Some stars make patterns in the skies. And we can imagine like a giant ball in the sky or a big giant shoes in the sky. Some stars make patterns in the sky. Stars seem to move across the sky during one night. From Earth, stars look really tiny in point of light. They look tiny because they are so far away. There's one star that's close to Earth. That star is the sun. The sun is a really large, giant ball, giant star. Wait, quiet. It looks large to us because it is close to Earth. Be a scientist. How does the moon seem to change during 1 month? Find out how the moon seems to change each shape each week. What to do? Look outside tonight. Find the moon in the night sky. Record data. Draw what the moon looks like on today's date on the calendar. Repeat step 1 and step 2 each night for a month. When did you see a full moon during the month? When did you see a new moon? 5. Draw conclusion. What do your drawings tell about the phases of the moon? I read to review our moving Earth. Our planet Earth is always moving. Every day is spent. It takes all day and all night for Earth to make one full turn. When Earth has turned halfway around, we do not see the sun. In the night sky, we see stars and the moon, different phases. Every day, Earth moves farther on its trip around the sun, the closest star. The whole trip around the sun takes 1 year. Oh, look! There is a tree look like in the spring. Now it looks really different in the summer, and in the fall the leaf change. And in the winter, no more leaf. Along the way, Earth has 4 seasons. When the Earth is over, the trip around the sun begins again. The end. Bye-bye.